are so excited. We are driving to a cool little shipwreck that's just off the coast, or on the coast.
And it's pouring rain out, which I think makes it even more epic. Because I was like, that's kind of cool, like a shipwreck with like pouring rain.
Yeah, plus we like rain.
Yeah, I just am waiting for like Jack Sparrow to come out and be there because I want him to greet us.
Yeah.
It's a little windy. Holy cow, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. This wind is crazy. Oh my gosh. How cool. It's super windy out. But this is incredible. Look. Woo! Okay, that was so much fun. Did you love that pirate ship?
Yeah, I don't think it's a pirate ship, but it is a wrecked ship.
It's a pirate ship for sure. It is. I knew it when I saw it. It's so crazy. So it is like so windy out there, and we saw so many cars pull up and no one would get out of their car. And we're like, you guys, come join us.
There, yeah.
Come join us down here by the windy pirate boat.
So this is called the
Jake's looking it up right now.
Iredale. And it's just here on the coast, probably about 22 minutes outside of Astoria.
Yeah, and it's nice, it's free, and it's super cool. A lot of people were driving their cars on the beach and stuff because they didn't want to get out of their car in this weather. But I would say we're soaking wet, but it was totally worth it. Like, that was so much fun to see, and I would do it again. Here's the chaos aftermath, and her camera and everything is super wet. So we're just trying to dry all that off, but yeah, like wet. That was so fun. So moral of the story is you always need to pack on trips. Even if you bring a carry-on, 2 pairs of pants. At least 2 pairs of pants. And 2 pairs of shoes. That way, if your stuff gets wet, you always have extras.